Hey folks, it's Andrew, and let's talk about Hyperdocs. So this is another video in 517 EdTech and SITN collaboration known as Workshop and Share. And so if you want to go through this and earn a sketch and be part of the Workshop and Share community, this document will show you how. Once you're part of the Workshop and Share community, you will have access to all of our previous sessions as well. So this one is about Hyperdocs. Now what a Hyperdoc is, it is a document that has embedded hyperlinks. So sometimes when you're crafting a learning experience, the slide deck or the in-person presentation or the video resource is a great fit. But other times the Hyperdoc is a great fit. Just crafting a document that is familiar and has a nice workflow to it, but also has all the links that the learners will need embedded right into it, can be a really nice fit for certain types of content. So we're gonna model that for you today by showing you this Hyperdoc. So to access this Hyperdoc, go to bit.ly/hyperdocs-workshop share. Okay, and I'll make sure that link is below in the show description. And so it will give you an opportunity to make a copy of this yourself. There'll be a blue button that says use template, and you'll click that blue button. You'll have your own copy of this Hyperdoc added to your Google Drive. So what you'll see is our description and our learning outcomes, the ISTE standards, and then the outline for what your learning will look like from an active sense. So a Hyperdoc is multiple things. A Hyperdoc is both a delivery mechanism for information, but it's also an interactive tool. Okay, every Hyperdoc that's built is built with the idea that the person accessing that Hyperdoc is going to have something to do. And so we model with this Hyperdoc the ways of crafting visually how to cue the learner to know that they have something that they need to actively do to engage the Hyperdoc themselves. And so this section here, by showing the visual context icons, it shows how we are using these various icons throughout the doc to signal to the learner that there is a response that they're being expected to do. And then the icons show what kind of response they have. So you can use this as well, and a lot of teachers do, as a way to kind of help the students who are going through the Hyperdoc know what type of interaction and engagement they're being expected to do. So this checklist is going to show you all the pieces that you need to complete in order to go through the learning experience as written, and then to be able to produce the artifacts that will earn you the sketch for this particular module. So as with any good checklist, the task is written in one section here on the left, and on the right there's a spot for you to put your check mark or your X or whatever indicator you want. It could be a happy face, it could be whatever icon you want to put there to indicate that you have completed that task. Okay, so the first step of this is to engage. That's to make sure that you're in the Google group. The second piece of this is to explain. Okay, so you'll read through these documents, and we've got a short video. So these are just learning opportunities for you. Beyond that, then, you're going to start to have some tasks that you need to complete. So there's more exploration here. And as you go down, you'll notice that where there are green boxes, these sort of pale green boxes, these are things that you need to complete. And then as you continue to explore this Hyperdoc, it will walk you through the process to create your own and then post that to the Workshop and Share Google group so that the community has access to what you've created for the sake of their learning, and you have access to what they've created for the sake of your learning. And once you've completed all those steps, you'll see an evaluation link in the Google group that will allow you to give us feedback so that we can continually improve our programming, but also will allow you to report out that you've completed all of the tasks so that we can go in and take a look, and then you can earn your sketch. So once again, on behalf of Allison, Christy, and Tom, my name is Andrew Schaubert. If you have any questions about this or any of our other offerings, please feel free to reach out to your local REMC contact. Allison in Clinton County, Christy in Eaton County, Tom in Shiawassee County, or myself in Ingham County. And let us know what questions you have so that we can make sure that you are connected to the variety of high quality professional learning and engagement opportunities that we have available to you. So thank you so much, and I hope that you have a great rest of your school year.